Hi, Zach. Whoa, no! Hi. Hi. Are you ready to keep going on our walk? No, that's the wrong way. Whoa! Okay, we're gonna go this way. Let's go that way. Go. Go, go. Yeah, there we go. There we go. You're such a good little walker. You're running. You're running. Now you're crawling. Oh, yeah, that's how you gotta get it down the curb. There you go. I don't think we're gonna let you go out in the road though, sweetie. Let's go this way. Come on up here. There.